12 kilograms of laundry is a staggering amount of fabric. We are talking about heavy blankets, bulky winter jackets, and entire sets of bed sheets all going in at once. Most people are used to doing 2 or 3 separate loads just to clear the weekend pile, but this massive smart washer changes that math entirely. It is not just about the sheer size though. The real magic happens with something called super electrolysis. You might think that sounds like a science experiment gone wrong, but it is actually a clever way to clean clothes without leaning so hard on harsh detergents. The machine uses the water itself to generate active oxygen. This process goes after the grime at a molecular level. It helps whiten your whites and keeps your colors from looking washed out after just a few cycles. I am talking about those nightmare stains like grease from a late-night pizza or grass stains from a soccer game. It handles over 20 different types of tough messes. That is a huge relief for anyone who feels like they are constantly scrubbing collars by hand. Then you have the hygiene factor, which is honestly a bit mind-blowing. It uses a combination of high-temperature steam and that electrolysis process to wipe out almost every single germ and virus. We're talking about a sterilization rate of 99.9999%. If you have a baby at home or you suffer from seasonal allergies, that level of clean is a total game changer. It even tackles dust mites. Moving on to the smart side of things, it fits right into a modern connected home ecosystem. You can fire it up from your phone while you are still at the grocery store. You can track exactly how much time is left or schedule a cycle to finish right when you wake up. The detergent system is also quite brilliant. You fill it up once and it lasts for about a month. The machine actually weighs the load and decides exactly how much soap to use. No more guessing. No more wasting money on extra detergent. It runs on a high-speed inverter motor that stays surprisingly quiet even when it is spinning at 1200 revolutions per minute. There are 31 different programs to choose from. You have settings for wool, a quick wash for when you are in a rush, and even a specific mode to get pet hair off your clothes. That last one is a lifesaver for dog and cat owners who are tired of looking like they are wearing a fur coat. Of course, it is not all perfect. The biggest hurdle right now is actually getting your hands on one. It is mostly sold in limited regions, which means if you are elsewhere, you might have to deal with third-party importers. That can make the price jump around quite a bit. Plus, if something breaks, finding a local repair shop that understands this specific hardware could be a real headache. You have to weigh those risks against the sheer convenience of having a machine that washes and dries such massive loads in one go. It is a premium piece of tech for people who want the absolute latest features. If you are a tech enthusiast or a parent with a never-ending laundry list, this thing looks like a total dream. Just be prepared for the logistical hurdles if you are outside its main market. It really represents where home appliances are headed. We are seeing more automation, better hygiene, and much less manual effort in our daily routines. It turns a boring task into something handled by high-end chemistry and smart software. That is a win in my book.